What's a pronoun anyway? I should ask Dad when he gets home.
Dad, can you explain what a pronoun is?
Of course, Akshit. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. It helps us avoid repeating the same words over and over again in a sentence.
Oh, I see.
So instead of saying Rohan went to the park, we can say he went to the park.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the different kinds of pronouns. There are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Personal pronouns are words like he, she, it, they, and we. They are used for specific people or things. There are three various forms of personal pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. The first person is the person speaking. The second person is the person too. And the third person is the person or thing.
So he can stand for Rohan and she for Riya.
Exactly. Now, possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples include his, her, its, our, your, and their.
Oh, like his book or her toy.
Exactly. And finally, reflexive pronouns are words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. They reflect back to the subject of the sentence.
So, I did it myself, or they built the fort themselves.
That's right. Pronouns make our sentences smoother and more interesting. Keep practicing, Akshit, and you'll get even better at using them.
Thanks, Dad.
You're catching on fast, Akshit. Keep up the good work.
I'll definitely pay more attention to pronouns in my next story.